This truck is very complicated to park in the garage. I am from wall to garage door with it closed, and I probably may have like that much room. So it's a bit of a challenge to do anything with the garage door closed. If I need to go on the other side of the truck, I have to basically open the garage door. So this is what I do sometimes. I know it's funny if you don't want to open your garage door. I'm just showing you some Cybertruck life. Basically open the door up, and then I go and crawl through the other side. So I'm on the other side here, basically get in and do things. Just thought it was funny and I share with you. I'll be honest, I don't really do that. I probably did it once because I just didn't want to open the garage door. But so just sharing with people, has some funny little Cybertruck tricks to do because this thing is an animal. The beast, and let me just show you distance of what I've got here. As you can see, I only have like that much room, and then you come all the way over here, and that's about all I got. And yes, I am a big Chicago Bears fan. I'm a big Chicago fan, hence my name, Chicago Tech Dude. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys, and until next time, all right? Take care, bye.